Hi, this is Christian Cantrell, here to show you an app called ShareFire, which I wrote with my colleague Dan Kessler. It's a news aggregator written for Adobe Air, which makes it very easy to share articles across several social networks, including AIM. Here's a quick rundown of its features. We have a typical three-paned view where we can view all the unread posts, and you can click in this top pane here, and they load below. You can see that they load in a nice HTML view. You can also switch to, let me find a good one here, switch to the Site tab here, and it'll actually load the site down here instead of just the summary. So you can view the whole site. It's a little bit scrunched up right now because I have the app smaller than I normally would. Go back to the post summary. Over here we have categories, which are expandable. The green glow you see is showing me that there were posts updated since the last time I expand the folder. We also have an accordion pane with some different views of our data here. So this is the feed view with the categories, and then we have something called smart topics, which are topics that you can define yourself that you're interested in. So if you're interested in iPhone, you can create an iPhone category, and then when you click on it, all the articles that you see will have the term iPhone in it. You create a new smart topic down here. It's kind of neat. It's like if you are interested in Kindle or something, you type, give it a title, give it a some keywords. You can put as many in here as you want. You can test them out to see if it matches properly, and then save it. And now you have a smart topic here where you can find posts on specific topics that you're interested in. There's also an author's view, so this is kind of cool. You can just go through all your posts by author rather than by feed. So for instance, if you're interested in Cory Doctorow, and this is all done automatically, you don't have to set these authors up. This is parsed out of the feeds and done automatically for you. We also have another automatically generated view based on topics. So if you're interested in Web 2.0 or Sony, this is all parsed out of the various feeds for you. So it's kind of a nice way to view your data, because typically you have so many of these feeds that you kind of need a more efficient way to view them. We have some options up here, for adding feeds, refreshing, marking them as read. You can switch into full screen view if you want, which I'm not going to do because it'll mess up the video. But and there's also a search here. So let me go back to all unread, and if I search for, I don't know, maybe something about cameras, you can see it's a real-time search. So I want to just look for some articles quickly on the Kindle or something. I can do that. You can also, you can check stories here, and then it'll put them in this checked category, which enables you to find them again quickly later. Let me open up the settings dialog here. So you can, set your update interval. You can change your language. So let me actually give you a demo of this. This is pretty cool. It changes it in real time. So if I want to change it to Japanese here, you can see everything's been updated into Japanese, which doesn't do me very much good, so I'll switch back to English. And we support several languages, by the way. I actually don't remember how many, but quite a lot of languages. So useful for international readers. You can occasionally we update the application, add new features, so you can change the update interval or the interval at which the application checks for updates. You can set up notifications for smart topics or for all feeds. It'll show a little sort of growl-like notification. On Mac and on Windows, it does more of a sort of a toast type experience. On Linux, it's actually closer to Mac. You can choose where you want it to appear. Import and export OPML. AOL Instant Messenger. Actually, I'll show you this in action in a minute, but this enables you to share articles via AIM. You can also share via email here, which actually I don't have set up, so I'll set that up. And then Twitter as well. So let me actually show you that in action here. So let me find something I'm interested in, like let's see, find a some kind of good news article here. Maybe something from the AIR team. AIR 1.5.1 released. If I want to share this article, I can right-click on it. And if I want to share it with someone on my AIM network, I can just go to AIM and choose someone here, and it'll automatically IM it to them. You can, optionally, if you want to, in the AIM tab here, you can have it configured so that you use a custom message. If you don't have this checked, when you select a name, it just sends it off to them automatically. If you have this checked, it'll give you a chance to add a custom message before it sends the IM. You can also share via Twitter. You can just type something out here, and it'll automatically reduce the URL for you. And you can also share via several different mechanisms located here, such as Facebook and Delicious and Dig and Newsvine and various other services here. We also just added recently an option to have the, let me get this icon into view here so you guys can see it, the number of unread posts, which you can see here in the icon, which is kind of handy. I have quite a few. I have a lot of reading to do today. Those are pretty much the main features. There's also a lot of other small features sort of hidden throughout the application, but it's pretty functional and very good for sharing. It's available at sharefirereader.com. The source code is also available. It's on Google Code. It's all open source, and all the libraries that it uses are all open source. So if you want to see how it's written, feel free to check out the source code, or add features of your own, or fix bugs, whatever you want to do. Thank you very much.